Hey everyone, it's Eric Peterson, broker at Kopa Real Estate, and today I'm bringing you another unbelievable listing in Champions at Avery Ranch. Today I'm in front of a rare single-story home at 10208 Fossmoor Street. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 3-car garage, office, formal dining room, covered patio, and it's on a huge lot. One of the best things though about this house is the location in the neighborhood. Just down the street that way is the Avery Ranch Golf Course. Down the street this way is all the Avery Ranch restaurants, including The League, Moonshine, Zteos, and Summer Moon Coffee. And the other direction, you can just, within easy walking distance, up to the Avery Ranch Main Amenity Center with the big pool, playground, and lighted tennis courts. Let's go take a look.